Hello, adventurous souls. Welcome back to JetSet Explore Hub, where we dive deep into making your travel experiences smoother and more enjoyable. Today we're focusing on a crucial aspect of every journey, your travel bag. This isn't just a container, it's your mobile home, your travel assistant, and occasionally, your only companion. Choosing the wrong one could turn your dream vacation into a laborious task, filled with broken zippers, strained shoulders, and numerous other inconveniences. The wrong bag can significantly impact your travel experience, transforming what should be an exciting adventure into a cumbersome ordeal. From the airport to your destination and everywhere in between, your travel bag plays a pivotal role. So, before you start packing for your next trip, let's chat about what can make a bag wrong for travel. Are you ready to discover how to make your travels smoother? Let's find out. First on our list are bags with poor ergonomics. Now, what do we mean by poor ergonomics? Think bags with thin straps that dig into your shoulders, bags that distribute weight unevenly causing you to lean to one side, or bags that sit uncomfortably against your body. These are the bags that might look chic and trendy, but leave you with sore muscles and a strained back at the end of the day. Imagine navigating through the maze-like streets of an ancient European town, or rushing through a bustling airport with such a bag. It can turn your exciting travel experience into a painful ordeal. So while that bag with the thin, metallic chain strap or the oversized tote might be calling your name, remember, comfort should never be sacrificed for style when it comes to travel bags. Instead, look for bags that are designed with your comfort in mind. Bags with wide, padded straps that sit comfortably on your shoulder, spreading the weight evenly and reducing the strain on any one point. If you're a backpack person, consider bags with additional waist straps. These help distribute the bag's weight to your hips, relieving your shoulders and back. Also, pay attention to how the bag sits on your body. It should align well with your natural contours and not pull you in any awkward direction. In essence, look for ergonomically designed bags with wide padded shoulder straps, waist straps for backpacks, and features that distribute weight evenly. Next up are the overly bulky or oversized bags. These are the behemoths that seem to swallow up everything you own, promising to carry all your worldly possessions and then some. But trust me, these are not the champions of travel that they might appear to be. Picture this, you're trying to maneuver through a bustling market in Marrakesh, or squeeze onto a crowded bus in New York City. Your oversized bag becomes an awkward, inconvenient obstacle, getting in everyone's way and making you the not-so-popular traveler. And then there's the issue of overhead bins on airplanes. Most airlines have strict size requirements for carry-on luggage. If your bag is too big, it simply won't fit. This could mean having to check your bag at the last minute, which not only delays your travel but could also lead to extra fees. Another pitfall of these oversized bags is the lure of overpacking. Just because a bag can hold a lot doesn't mean it should. More weight means more strain on your body, and let's not forget the additional luggage charges on flights if your bag is too heavy. So, what's the solution? Opt instead for compact, lightweight bags that comply with airline regulations for carry-on luggage. These bags are designed to be versatile, meeting not only your travel needs but also the various restrictions you'll encounter along the way. Remember, sometimes less is indeed more. In today's world, security is paramount. As we journey across towns or traverse continents, our bags aren't just carrying our clothing, toiletries, or souvenirs. They're also the keepers of our most valuable items, passports, credit cards, and sometimes expensive electronics. Now imagine the scenario of bags with limited or no security features. They might as well be an open invitation for pickpockets and thieves. A bag without secure zippers, locks, or RFID blocking technology is more than just a risk. It's a potential nightmare waiting to happen, putting not just your valuables but your identity and peace of mind in jeopardy. Imagine strolling through a bustling marketplace or waiting in a crowded airport terminal, oblivious to the fact that your bag is easy prey for skilled thieves. Before you know it, your passport or wallet could be gone, turning your dream vacation into a stressful ordeal. But don't fret, there's a solution. When choosing a travel bag, opt for one with lockable zippers and hidden compartments. These features can deter thieves and keep your valuables out of sight. To protect against digital theft, look for bags with RFID protection. This technology can block thieves from scanning your credit cards or passport without your knowledge. The bottom line? Don't compromise on security. Choose bags with lockable zippers, hidden compartments, and RFID protection to safeguard your belongings. Remember, better safe than sorry. Durability is key, especially when you're traversing different climates and terrains. It's alarming how many travel bags on the market today are made from low-quality materials, which, let's face it, don't stand the test of time or travel. Imagine you're halfway through your journey, and your bag's stitching starts to unravel, or worse, the material tears, leaving your belongings vulnerable or even lost. That's something no traveler wants to experience. And it's not just about the wear and tear. Low-quality materials can also be susceptible to water damage, rendering your bag useless in a sudden downpour. So how do you avoid these pitfalls? The answer is simpler than you might think. Invest in a bag made from high-quality materials. It might seem like a big investment up front, but it pays off in the long run. You'll have a bag that can withstand the rigors of travel, from being tossed into overhead bins to surviving the odd rain shower or two. Let's talk specifics. Look for bags made from high-denier nylon or polycarbonate. These materials are not only durable but also lightweight, so they won't add unnecessary burden to your journey. They're resistant to tearing and water damage, which is a massive plus for any traveler. Don't forget to check the bag's stitching and zippers too. They should be sturdy and well made, as they're often the first to give way in low-quality bags. Investing in a high-quality bag made from durable materials like high-denier nylon or polycarbonate can save you money and trouble in the long run. Lastly, let's talk about choosing the wrong type of bag for your travel style. Picture this. You're embarking on a rugged hiking trip, yet your bag is a heavy-duty suitcase better suited for a luxury hotel stay. Or perhaps you're planning an urban exploration in a bustling city, but your bag is a dainty handbag that's neither spacious nor secure. These scenarios highlight the importance of matching your bag to your travel style and needs. Choosing a bag that doesn't fit your travel style can lead to stress and discomfort. A mismatched bag can be cumbersome to carry, lack the necessary features, or even stand out like a sore thumb, making you a target for thieves. When selecting a bag, consider the nature of your trip. Is it casual or formal? Adventurous or relaxed? Your bag should reflect this and be tailored to your activities and environment. Always remember to consider your travel style and destination when choosing a bag. Your bag should complement your journey, not complicate it. So there you have it, folks. From bags with poor ergonomics to those lacking security features, we've covered the types of travel bags to steer clear of. Instead, consider ergonomically designed, compact, secure, and durable alternatives. Don't forget to match the bag to your travel style for ultimate comfort and functionality. Remember to choose wisely, and your bag will become your best travel companion. Thank you for joining us today. If you found these tips helpful, give us a like, share this video with your fellow travelers, and subscribe for more insightful travel content. Until next time, stay adventurous, stay stylish, and happy travels.